Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Hi, this is the second video in the playlist where we're looking at factorising a harder quadratic. Now, I'm going to treat it in exactly the same way as I have done before, but the numbers are just a little bit more difficult to deal with. Because if I look at 3 times 120, what I actually get is positive 360. And what I'm looking for is two numbers that when I multiply them together make 360, and when I add them together make 39. Now, it will be tricky to kind of work through these sorts of things, but you could look at all the different factors of 360 and eventually, hopefully, you're going to get 15 and 24, because when I multiply those two together, I get 360, and when I add them together, I get 39. Okay, so I'm in a position now where I can rewrite my original equation as 3d squared, and rather than writing 39d, what I'm going to write is 15d plus 24d, because both of those total together make 39, and then plus 120, and that equals 0. Okay, and then as I did in the previous video, I'm going to take the first two terms and I'm going to factorise them for, in this particular case, 3d, so I'm going to get d plus 5, and then I'm going to take the second two terms, I'm going to factorise them for 24, and guess what? I get d plus 5 again. That all equals 0. So therefore, because I've got these two common terms of d plus 5, I can take that out, and I can say, well, actually, that d plus 5 is multiplied by 3d plus 24. So I'm now in a position where I've factorised this particular equation. Let's look at the solutions of that equation. The solutions are going to be, therefore, that d plus 5 equals 0, so therefore d must equal minus 5, and that would be my first solution. And then the second one is I've got 3d plus 24 equals 0. If I take 24 to the other side, I'm going to get minus 24, so 3d equals minus 24. Divide through by 3, and I'm going to get d equals minus 8, and that would be the answer to the second part of the solution.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.